19-year-old girl from Uttar Pradesh's Hathras, who was allegedly raped 2 weeks ago, died at Delhi's Safdarjung hospital this morning. Her family is demanding that the Yogi Adityanath government assure that the culprits will be hanged. Refuting their claims, the UP government has said sexual assault is not confirmed yet and the matter will be probed. The fact, though, is this case once again reveals, much like the Nirbhaya case 8 years ago, all that is wrong when it comes to crimes against women. Take a look.
In 2012, a brutal rape and murder of a young woman in the national capital sparked nationwide outrage, triggered a revamp of women's safety laws. Eight years later, a 19-year-old suffered unspeakable brutality in a remote village of Uttar Pradesh. But it remained a footnote in newspapers and news channels for 15 days. The Dalit victim from Hathras, who was shifted to Delhi's Safdarjung hospital from Aligarh, lost the battle for her life on Tuesday.
हमारी सरकार है, बीजेपी की सरकार है, योगी आदित्यनाथ जी की सरकार है, उनकी सरकार से कोई मिलने आया, किसी ने फोन किया?
कोई नहीं आया।
बताइए दादा। और आप लोग को अब जस्टिस
जो एक्शन हुआ है ये प्रशासन का, ये हमारी समाज जब खड़ी हुई है तब ये प्रेशर डाला
ना, कोई सरकार पहुंची थी,
कुछ कार्रवाई आगे हुई नहीं रही थी। वो लोग क्या कर रहे, वो सारा कुछ दबाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे वो लोग।
The injuries on the teenager reveal the horror she was subjected to. She was strangled with her dupatta, her spinal cord and neck suffered damage. The girl was allegedly gang raped by 4 men on September the 14th and suffered severe injuries. She was first admitted to the JN Medical College in Aligarh and gained consciousness a day later. On September the 20th, the UP police reached the hospital to record the victim's statement, but could only do so 2 days later on the 22nd of September. All 4 suspects in the case were subsequently arrested. After the condition of the victim deteriorated, she was shifted to Delhi Safdarjung Hospital on the 28th of September. But there are many questions. How did the sexual assault go unnoticed in the initial medical examinations? How did it take 8 days to add rape charges to the FIR? Was there an attempt to cover up? And why wasn't the victim shifted to Delhi earlier? The police, however, deny all the charges.
देखिए कहीं कहीं ये भी चल रहा है सोशल मीडिया पे कि पीड़िता की जीभ काट दी गई थी या रीढ़ की हड्डी तोड़ दी गई थी। ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। गला दबाने के कारण गले के पीछे की जो एक हड्डी होती है उसमें थोड़ा सा चोट लगी थी। जब मेडिकल असॉल्ट की बात, जो सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट की बात पीड़िता ने कही तो डॉक्टरों से इसकी रिपोर्ट मांगी गई। डॉक्टरों ने उसको कंफर्म नहीं किया है। उन्होंने कहा है कि उसको एफएसएल रिपोर्ट से टैली करेंगे तभी वो उस पर कुछ पुख्ता राय दे पाएंगे। और जो प्राइवेट पार्ट्स में उन्होंने चोटों से इनकार किया है।
Politicians, activists, all missing in action for 2 weeks, hit the streets as news of the 19-year-old's death spread. While workers of the Mahila Congress staged a demonstration at India Gate, the Bhim Army protested outside Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital. The UP government has announced 10 lakh rupees compensation to the victim's family. But the incident has once again raised serious questions over law and order in Uttar Pradesh. With Ankit Tyagi in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.